Alright. Yo, Mikey, you there, bro? You snoring.
Yo, Mikey, are you right there, bud?
Mikey, you fucking drunk as fuck passed out, bro. Why you snoring on the mic? Boys, man, Mikey's just fucking passed out right now.
Just snoozing. But he's hitting the snooze button tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. OP. Mikey.
Mikey. Mikey, are you right there, bud?
Mikey.
Hey, Mikey, is your update done yet?
Oh, fuck.
Wonder how long he's gonna sit there sleeping. He's gonna wake up by himself in the Xbox party.
Bro, I swear this guy usually has like trouble falling asleep. He just fucking
Oh,
on the mic. I guess not
not
tonight, huh?
today.
Fucking John worked this guy like fucking.
Oh yeah, this guy's getting worked to the bone.
Oh yeah.